In 2026, you don't need money to start an online business. You just need AI and a smart plan. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to make passive income. You create them once and sell them over and over again. The best part is that you can build everything using free AI tools. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create ebooks, prompt guides, planners, social media captions, business templates, or even short online courses. What used to take weeks can now be done in just a few hours. For example, you could create a simple guide called 50 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners. Use AI to write the content, organize it into clear sections, and keep it easy to understand. Then design a clean and professional PDF using free templates on Canva. You don't need design skills. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Every time someone downloads it, you earn money. No inventory, no shipping, no extra cost. You can also create and sell Notion templates, resume templates, budget planners, or AI toolkits for entrepreneurs. These digital products solve real problems, and people are willing to pay for simple solutions. If you price your product at $10, you only need 5 sales per day to make $50 daily. You can promote your product using short videos, Pinterest posts, or a faceless YouTube channel. The key is to choose one clear niche, like students, freelancers, small business owners, or content creators. And focus on solving one specific problem. Keep it simple. Launch quickly. Improve as you grow. In 2026, AI removes the biggest barriers like time, money, and experience. Start today, stay consistent, and turn your ideas into digital income.